and mind-blowing facts about Mars.
Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun and the second closest to Earth, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Often called the Red Planet because of its rusty hue, Mars has inspired countless works of science fiction, as well as scientific research and exploration. In this video, we'll explore 10 fascinating facts about Mars that will blow your mind and deepen your appreciation for this alien world. Number 1. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. The ancient Romans associated Mars with the deity of war, perhaps because of its reddish appearance, which reminded them of blood. The Greek equivalent of Mars is Ares, the god of violence and conflict. Interestingly, the symbol for Mars in astronomy is a circle with an arrow pointing diagonally upward and to the right, which resembles a shield and spear. Number 2. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. Olympus Mons, located near Mars' equator, is a shield volcano that rises 22 kilometers, 14 miles, above the surrounding plains and stretches 600 kilometers, 370 miles, in diameter. It is more than twice as tall as Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, and covers an area larger than the state of Arizona. Despite its size, Olympus Mons is considered dormant and has not erupted for millions of years. Number 3. Mars has the deepest canyon in the solar system. Valles Marineris, located near the equator on the opposite side of Olympus Mons, is a system of interconnected canyons and troughs that stretches 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, long, up to 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, deep, and up to 200 kilometers, 120 miles, wide. By comparison, the Grand Canyon on Earth is only 446 kilometers, 277 miles, long, up to 1.8 kilometers, 1.1 miles, deep, and up to 29 kilometers, 18 miles, wide. Number 4. Mars has polar ice caps that expand and contract with the seasons. Like Earth, Mars has a tilted axis that causes it to have seasons. However, because Mars' orbit is more elongated than Earth's, its seasons are more extreme and longer. During the winter, carbon dioxide freezes out of the atmosphere and forms a layer of dry ice that covers the North and South poles. As the seasons change, the ice caps grow and shrink, revealing a layered history of climate change. Number 5. Mars has a thin atmosphere that is mostly carbon dioxide. Mars has an atmospheric pressure that is less than 1% of Earth's and a composition that is 95% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, and traces of other gases. The lack of a substantial magnetic field and a thick atmosphere means that Mars is bombarded by cosmic radiation and solar wind, which has stripped away much of its water and atmosphere over billions of years. Number 6. Mars has evidence of past liquid water on its surface. Although Mars is now dry and desert-like, there are signs that it once had liquid water on its surface, either as lakes, rivers, or oceans. For example, Mars terrain has features such as channels, deltas, and outflow channels that suggest the erosion and deposition of water over time. In addition, some meteorites that originated from Mars contain minerals that form only in the presence of liquid water. Number 7. Mars has the potential to support life, past or present. Because Mars has had water, a source of energy, and organic molecules, it is considered a prime target for the search for life beyond Earth. While no conclusive evidence of life has been found yet, Mars missions have discovered subsurface water ice, methane in the atmosphere, and complex organic molecules in the soil, which are all potential signs of biological activity. In addition, some extremophile microorganisms on Earth can survive in conditions similar to those on Mars, such as high radiation, low pressure, and extreme cold. Number 8. Mars has several rovers and orbiters exploring its surface and atmosphere. Since the first successful mission to Mars by NASA's Mariner 4 in 1965, there have been dozens of missions by various space agencies to study Mars. Currently, there are 4 active rovers on Mars: NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance, and China's Zhurong and Tianwen-1. In addition, there are several orbiters that study Mars from above, including NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and Mars Odyssey, and Europe's Mars Express. Number 9. Mars has inspired numerous science fiction stories, movies, and video games. Mars has long been a source of inspiration for science fiction writers, filmmakers, and game developers. Some famous examples of Mars-themed stories include H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds, Edgar Rice Burroughs' John Carter series, Ray Bradbury's The Martian Chronicles, and Andy Weir's The Martian. In addition, many movies, such as Total Recall, Red Planet, and The Martian, have featured Mars as a setting or plot device, while games like Doom, Mass Effect, and Destiny have used Mars as a location or theme. Number 10. Mars may be a stepping stone for human exploration and colonization of the solar system. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in sending humans to Mars, both for scientific and strategic reasons. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon by 2024, with the ultimate goal of sending humans to Mars in the 2030s. Private companies, such as SpaceX, also have ambitious plans to send humans to Mars and even establish a self-sustaining colony there. While the challenges of sending humans to Mars and keeping them alive and healthy in a hostile environment are daunting, the potential rewards of exploring and settling a new world are immense. Mars is a fascinating and complex planet that offers endless opportunities for scientific discovery, artistic expression, and human exploration. Whether we are studying its geology, searching for signs of life, or imagining its future as a new home for humanity, Mars reminds us of the vastness and diversity of the universe and our place in it.